Here we are for Rod's Tree Service and Landscaping, pruning a beautiful maple. We got the hose ready. After we're done pruning it, we give it a little water so the branches don't dry up. A lot of people say, oh, my landscaper pruned my tree, or this company came and pruned my tree and it has died a lot. It's not looking too good, especially for the time of the year, being in the summer. After you hand clip a Japanese maple, it's always good to water it after you're done with the pruning. From Rod's Tree Service and Landscaping, Rockaway, New Jersey.